like Lal Gulab, Dil, Mohabbat, सब कुछ. But not everybody know about how you guys like started off. पहली बार पहली मोहब्बत किसको हुई कैसी हुई all this stuff. So are you guys comfortable sharing that with us Sunday Times especially?
Yeah.
Sure. You want to tell?
Okay, so I have questions इधर लिखे हुए हैं. अमूमन मैं unscripted तरीके से करता हूँ.
हाँ.
इस दफा
आज
मैंने
सवाल
questions
लिखे
लिखे हैं.
ठीक है.
मैंने कहा क्योंकि मुझे सब कुछ चाहिए आज. Okay, so how did you both meet and was it like love at first sight or like friendship first and then love?
कौन दे रहा है जवाब?
ये आप दोनों पे
ये आप हमें बताएंगे कि किसने जवाब देना है या दोनों
ये
बताएंगे?
इनमें हम में से कोई भी दे ये जवाब तो एक ही
चलो आप
होगा.
बताओ.
आए सही बात.
नहीं हम मिले कहाँ ये तो एक ही
जवाब
होगा.
एक ही होगा obviously. But you guys can like compliment each other.
एक्चुअली हम एक दोस्त की गेट टुगेदर पे मिले थे एंड आई लाइक्ड हर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई सॉ हर and we took our time, we kept meeting and then we actually fell for each other.
Yeah,
That's
I think
what
for me also I really liked him. But so when we spent time together, फिर जब बात हुई, फिर दोस्ती हुई,
Nice.
फिर
उस पे आएंगे,
मोहब्बत
उस पे आएंगे,
हुई.
उस पे आएंगे, उस पे आएंगे. How do you मतलब how did you know that you had found the right person in each other?
अच्छा ये मुझे मेरी स्टोरी याद है क्योंकि he just we are talking about that get together.
Yeah.
So what I remember is his kindness. So there was a situation where everybody else was laughing and he was like, I'm not going in the details, but he
Yeah.
told everyone, guys, what are you doing? Stop it. ये
Yeah.
क्या हो रहा है?
I can totally
And
imagine.
he है ना? And he was not doing that to show anybody anything.
Yeah.
He was genuinely saying that, and that kind of
No,
melted.
laughing on somebody.
What did I say?
You said laughing.
हाँ, laughing on somebody. Yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ, not just laughing. हाँ. अच्छा मैंने ये नहीं कहा. तो मुझे
I can totally imagine him
I
doing
think I
that.
remember है ना?
हाँ.
तो मुझे उस moment में I felt like my heart kind of melted
cute.
there.
Are you a good karma comes back? So, because I've met trillions of people.
Yeah.
तो she's one person जिससे मुझे लगा कि जिसका heart is so pure.
Yeah.
It's so at the right place. So that's what made me just
Go ahead.
yeah. It's crazy how much good heart she has.
Yeah.
कि मुझे तो आपका शो ऑलरेडी अच्छा लग रहा है. These are not the compliments that one gets every day.
But I think वो
कोई
unspoken
पूछता नहीं है
words
ना
भी
कि
होते
what do you
हैं ना.
like about her? So
Yeah.
yeah.
हाँ मुझे नहीं थके हो के पुराने क्वेश्चंस करने के. हाँ जी ये वो तो सर मैंने कहा तो नए लाए मार्केट में. Okay. Do you recall your first date? What made it special?
I
मुझे
took
याद
her
है.
to Cuckoo's Cafe.
Yeah.
बहुत मेरा favorite spot होता था उस वक्त. It's been what? How many years?
More than 10.
खैर, yeah.
More than 10.
तो उस वक्त मैं बहुत जाता था अपनी फैमिली के साथ भी ऐसे भी. So I took her there and I think we had a great night.
Yeah.
Great
we
date
did.
night.
Absolutely. Yes.
I would not ask for any details.
मुझे ये नहीं no I don't even like remember कि मैंने क्या खाया था क्या नहीं. I was just listening and I was just like वो नहीं होते आपकी क्या
And he's
बस सुन
charming,
रहे हैं.
honestly.
Yeah,
हाँ.
absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. Has Farhan ever written a song especially for you and then released, but nobody knows about that song कि वो आपके लिए लिखा गया था? Interesting.
No, there was this song before we met, so I recorded it. But जब हम उसका वीडियो करने जा रहे थे तो I chose that song because I dedicated that song to her and we
Yeah,
shot it together. That was Sathiya.
Yeah.
We shot in
ऐसा
Berlin.
फॉर्मल कुछ नहीं था कि सोच के मेरे लिए
It
लिखा.
was like
but
साथिया तुझको जो मैंने पा लिया जीने की कोई उम्मीद न थी तुझको वजह बना लिया. So that's
Cute.
Yeah,
The
so
lyrics are so nice.
yeah, so that's what I dedicated to her.
Okay, now cute. That is very cute. So how has your
It's gonna be a cute show.
It is a cute show. It is supposed
That's the kind of questions Ozan has for us
yeah,
today.
it's a cute ones. How has your love for each other evolved over the time, like over the years? Because it's been more than 10 years that you guys are together. So.
I feel like जितना जो कि बहुत मुझे अच्छी बात भी लगती है. ऐसा मुझे लगता नहीं था होता है. But मुझे लगता है कि जितना मैंने फरहान को ज़्यादा जाना है over the years, I think I like him more and I've fall for him more. Like जब आपको किसी की आते हैं और आप जब देखते हो what kind of human they are. So I think every day I get to know him more and like him more, for sure.
Same
Yeah,
goes for
like
me
genuinely.
also. I am getting to know him more and more better these
आपके
days.
साथ भी यही हो रहा है?
Yeah, I
Oh
am
my
falling in
God.
love with him again. But honestly, मैं अपना वो आपके बारे में, because उर्वा के साथ तो I gelled in immediately when we
Yeah.
were shooting the cover.
Yeah.
But with you, honestly, I felt like we met so many times back and forth. और मैंने आपके साथ पहले किया है काम बनिस्बत उर्वा के, because we did the
कब?
interview for Tij Button times,
Oh, yeah.
promotion times.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
you guys did? मैं नहीं थी इस पर।
You were.
कौन सा इंटरव्यू था
आपने एक ही
ये?
जवाब दिया तो मुझे याद है वो.
कौन सा इंटरव्यू था
We
ये?
were at this mall में था.
Yeah.
ओ अच्छा, लाइक मीडिया
Yeah,
जंकेट,
media junket,
उसमें तो नहीं
हाँ,
अजान
हाँ,
याद रहता ना कौन कौन
हाँ,
बैठा
वो
हुआ
हमने
था।
किया था एक quick सा segment,
हाँ,
but
like we didn't really meet है ना?
yeah, we did.
हाँ,
we did.
हाँ, हाँ.
But as we met at the Mavra's wedding also and everything, but I found you guys both. I need to tell this on camera, please.
Oh, nice. The food
ये
has
हमें
arrived.
खाना भी आ रहा है साथ साथ, मजे की चीज है, मुझे भूख भी लगी है खैर. But
Same.
I was saying
Yeah.
that I have enjoyed your company, and apart from that, you guys are outstanding host.
Oh, that's sweet.
Outstanding host.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. Thank you so much.
शुक्रिया।
Achha, I have this really interesting question. That after your on-screen pairing in Udari, fans started shipping you guys.
Yeah.
So usse pehle you guys were together, right?
Yeah.
So how was that? Like, awam ko kaise, they get the vibe when they start shipping you.
Yeah, I guess that was reflecting on
है ना?
screen also. हाँ, absolutely.
You guys had
Huh?
outstanding chemistry.
हाँ,
Thank
that
you.
was because
But I always say I could have done better in Udari. I
Yeah, he
always,
says that.
Always say that. If
You've done a fantastic job.
Thank you. But I tell you a very interesting story related
Yeah,
to
yeah.
this. So we were in Berlin for a fashion show and I was performing, they were walking. So जब मैं sound check करने जा रहा था तो the people were starting to come,
Yeah.
तो वो line लगी हुई थी. तो जब मैं वहाँ से गुजर रहा था तो एक बंदा चीख के कहता है फिक्र ना कर अर्श बेटा मीरा तेरी है. So the Udari's last episodes were
Yeah.
about to come, but
Yeah.
people were shipping already.
Beautiful. वो आपकी chemistry हमें ज़्यादा वो नहीं encourage कर रही थी to watch more, watch
I
more,
know.
watch more.
No, but I think
So,
credit where it's due. I think it was beautifully written
Yeah.
by
Yeah,
Farad.
absolutely.
Ishtiyaq.
beautifully shot,
Beautifully directed by Tisham.
Yeah,
I think all of
Exam is fantastic.
all of them did a great job.
Okay, so how did you celebrate your first Valentine's after you got together? I really want to know about the
मुझे
details.
जो याद है,
हाँ.
मुझे लगता है हम डिनर डेट्स पे बहुत जाते थे. फरहान always took me out to like restaurants
Yeah,
and
he's
I
butt,
wasn't
so he's
really a foodie
That is
though.
interesting.
हाँ?
मैं कहा he's a butt, so he's a
हाँ,
foodie.
और मैं नहीं थी.
अच्छा.
अब मैं हो गई हूँ. अब मुझे लगता है कि मैं हो गई हूँ बट लेकिन
हाँ,
ये
but-
है कि तब मैं बिल्कुल मुझे खाने का कोई इतना बट he would know कि अच्छा वहाँ ये अच्छा है वहाँ वो अच्छा है.
But I don't know
So-
बाकी सब लोगों का, but if you know Kashmiris,
Yeah.
so हमें घर का खाना सबसे अच्छा लगता है. Yeah. So,
हाँ हाँ.
so
No, but you made me try like all the different.
yeah, Valentine's तो फिर
Places.
हाँ, it was special होना चाहिए.
special होना चाहिए.
हाँ. So हाँ कुछ इस तरह गई date night type and
Okay, so your wedding was like a grand affair. It was not by you guys, but it went on and became this really huge affair. So that set the trend for celebrity weddings, and was the scale of the wedding planned, or it was unfolded like organically, like वो बन गया जो बना. मतलब it became the trend everywhere.
Okay, yeah.
And अभी तक लोग follow कर रहे हैं वैसे.
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया
Thank
शुक्रिया.
you so much.
Follow करें वो trend?
हाँ,
अच्छा.
आपकी शादी का.
I feel
सोचा
like the
समझा
times
नहीं
have
था, right?
changed for sure. The times have changed. Now
हाँ.
people are more into intimate stuff and like
हाँ.
with the family mostly
हाँ.
and तब I feel like हमें नहीं था
आपका भी
idea.
फैमिली अफेयर था, मैंने सुना है
था
बहुत लोगों ने क्रैश किया था यहाँ पे.
यही मैं कहने लगी थी था बट वो
Thank
रहा
you.
नहीं.
हाँ,
एंड देन उस टाइम पे मुझे लगता है हमें ना हमने इस बारे में सोचा था
हाँ,
ना हमें आइडिया था ऐसा होगा.
हाँ.
और हाँ मतलब अगर
बहुत
पता होता
प्यारा
तो
था.
हम कुछ कंट्रोल करते
So,
शायद.
मैं आपको बताऊं, मैंने आपकी शादी कहाँ देखी थी.
हाँ.
मैंने